In this video, I'm going to take this bunch of clutter and organize it. My shop has been a mess and out of control for quite some time, so I kind of shut down operations this week and I'm working on cleaning some things up. So what I'm tackling today is this portion of the bench. I've got junk all over it. It's got to go. And the worst part is I've got a charging station here for all my little gadgets. So what do we have here? Well, on this end of the bench, we've got a charger for the GoPro. Here's a speaker that I play iTunes through, my iPhone, iPad, and then I've got this little player here from my old iPod, which has about 3,000 songs on it that I like. And it's all driven off of this outlet, which only has a single device charger that I keep plugged in. So I'm constantly fumbling cords and everything gets dusty. Here at Stuart Arts, I'm lucky to have a couple cabinet makers in the park here, and they discard things from time to time. So I got these two drawers here, this one here and this one that's shallower. And I pulled those out of the dumpster, brought them back. They're made out of hard wood, so they're really nice. Knew I was going to use them for something, and so today I just added a couple of shelves also from the dumpster. Some holes here for the cables to come up through, and I'm going to mount this thing in a part of the shop that isn't dusty. I'm putting the charging station in the hallway between the two parts of my shop. I've got about 75 square feet of essentially unused space here, and so I mounted the charging station on this wall. I went and bought this this outlet here at Home Depot. It was about 14 bucks. It's got a couple USB ports on it. It's really not enough. I need a couple more, but it's okay for now. And I've got my cables coming up from down below, and just put a couple holes in there. And I put some cup hooks underneath here to string the cables on so they don't fall down the hole. So now I've got a place to put my delicate devices, and when I'm doing real dirty work here in the shop, I can also close this door to keep the dust off this stuff. Another thing I always do is empty my pockets when I come to the shop. For some reason I like to have everything out of my pockets when I'm working. So I've got this little bowl here, I put my change in there, and my wallet on this shelf, and then I've got a couple little hooks here, and this is where I place my keys. That's a lifelong problem. I come to the shop and I set my keys down at the first place I stop, and then I end up searching for them almost every day. So hopefully I can remember to put my keys on this hook at the beginning of every day. I think this is going to serve me well for a long time, but I have another drawer that's the same dimensions as this one, a little shallower, and I saved some room up top here just in case I decide to add some shelves to this down the road. It's far from perfect, but it's a darn sight better than what I had before. The best part of this project may be that I cleared up at least 2 linear feet of bench space here. Another 14 feet to go, and I will have myself an efficient shop.